Hey guys, welcome to Delft Stack, and this is how to add multiple pictures on TikTok. So, first is just simply go ahead and open up the TikTok application into your device. Now, right over here, guys, you could just simply go ahead and select the plus icon at the bottom of the screen over here and just simply upload. And now from here, guys, you could just simply go ahead and select the gallery on your screen on the right side over here down below. Now, once you are here on your gallery, you can just simply go to the photos category at the top. And now, as you can see, you can select up to 35 photos. So to select multiple, you just have to toggle on select multiple at the bottom left side of the screen, as you can see over here, to access the multiple pictures. So now, once you have selected select multiple, you should have an option over here to select a photo by tapping on each photo on the top right corner of the screen. And you should be able to see the number of each, the order, and now from here, you could just simply go ahead and, of course, select next. Now, from here, of course, just simply provide all of the necessary edits that you prefer. And after that, you can just simply select next and just simply post it up once you have done everything. And that's simply about it. That's how to add multiple pictures on TikTok by just simply select multiple on the bottom left side of the screen. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.